Hello and welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. What am I going to give you today? Today I'm going to repeat one of my favorite recipes. What is it? Garlic soup. And it's a natural antibiotic that I know it's going to help you. Where is it going to help you? It's going to fight off or help fight off those diseases and viruses and those nasty colds. Now, this is the same soup I made last time that was a great success, but I just gave it a little bit of twist. I added some whole wheat bread to it. Not too much, just like a garnish. And one thing I want to tell you, when you eat this soup, you're going to have this warm feeling all over because the garlic is just going to go through your system and it will give you superpowers. Now grab yourself a pot, add about what? 5 cups of water, 3 cups of water, and add about 2 pounds of potatoes that have been peeled. And we're going to use this to make the soup more on the creamy side. Now cover it, let it go for about 25 minutes or until the potatoes have become tender. Get yourself a frying pan and let's add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add about 1 small onion. You can even go to medium if you would like. Any kind of onion will be fine here. And I want you just to kind of sweat the onion a little bit. Now keep it on medium heat. I want you to add about 6 or half a bulb of garlic. And here I'm slicing it very thick. Why? Because I just want to heat it up. I really don't want to overcook it. Now to make it more creamy and more tasteful, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter because I'm not going to be using any cream or any milk in this recipe. Now let's cook this for about a couple minutes, but I do not want you to overcook the garlic because I don't want to lose its nutritional value. Okay, let's go back to the potatoes and see exactly what is happening. Now, I would like you to grab a fork and please make sure that the potatoes are tender or on the soft side. Now take your onion, garlic, and butter mixture and put that right into the pot, just like this. Now get your hand grinder, hand mixture, and I want you now to puree this and make it smooth and creamy as much as possible, and this is exactly what we want. Add 1 cube of low sodium veggie stock. Add about 1 small sliced parsnip. Add about 1 large carrot that has been peeled and it has been sliced. The size, that really depends on you. Now let's add a little bit more water. How much? Well, that depends on how thick or how thin you want the soup to be. Okay, let's give it a stir and let's bring the temperature up. And to increase your metabolism, let's add about half a teaspoon of white pepper or black pepper. Add 1/3 teaspoon of salt, but please be careful how much you use, for after all, this is still a diet soup. Okay, we're waiting for the temperature to come up. We are stirring it. Now once the temperature goes up, I want you to bring it down to the simmer. I like it to be covered, and let this go for at least 25 to 30 minutes and I shall be back. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes. Let's take a look. This really looks good, and if only you could smell it. This is out of this world. Now it's important for you to taste it and see if there's something else you want to add to it to make it your own. Now to make it even more nutritious, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Now turn off the heat, cover it, let it sit for another 5 minutes just to incorporate the parsley. Now I'm going to top it off with some 100% whole wheat bread as a garnish, and I made the bread. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you on my next video, and it's goodbye for now from Tony and Cooking Around.